Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I am going to be showing you guys how to make a quick and easy lemon pepper wings. These wings are absolutely delicious and they're so easy to make, so let me show you guys how it's done. But before I begin, don't forget to like the video if you enjoy it, subscribe if you're new here, and let's get started. To begin, I am going to start by using 1 pound of chicken wings. I went ahead and rinsed them with lime and vinegar and then pat them dry with a napkin. Now I am going to be adding about 1 tablespoon of olive oil on there, then use my hand to mix it really good. Next, I am going to season the wings. I am using onion powder, garlic powder, adobo seasoning, about 1 tablespoon each. We're going to pour that in there and mix it well together. Alright, now that I have my chicken nice and well seasoned, I am going to pour in about 1 cup of flour into a separate bowl. You don't have to season this. You are going to take your wings and coat them with the flour. And make sure to remove any excess flour once you're done dredging your chicken into the flour. Now you have 2 choices. You can either air fry these or you can fry them, which is what I am doing. So in a pot full of oil, once my oil reach about 350, I am going to place the wings right in there. You are going to cook the wings for about 10 to 12 minutes. For me, I cook mine until 12 minutes just to ensure they're nice and cooked through. Once they're nice and cooked and looking good, nice and golden brown and crispy, of course, you are going to take them out. And this is how they look like about 12 minutes later, nice and crispy and of course smelling absolutely delicious. Now I am going to fry the wings. Wait for about 10 to 12 minutes until they're nice and golden brown, and you are going to remove them, place them into a large bowl. Now I am going to be adding in about 2 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm trying not to eat too much grease, so I went ahead and add just a little bit. So basically add it to your liking, just to have them wet a little bit so the seasoning can stick on there. Next, I am going to be adding about 2 tablespoons of lemon pepper right on there. Now, make sure to use a name brand lemon pepper because that really affects the flavor of these wings. Next, I am going in with some dry parsley and give that a nice toss just to ensure the chicken is well coated with the seasoning. And ladies and gentlemen, this is how easy it is to make some lemon pepper chicken wings at home. Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Also subscribe if you're new here, and also leave a comment. Let me know down below if you're going to try these wings. I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye.